Today, we will know how to use if statement to check files, permissions and directories. First of all, we have to know that -d means check if directory exists, and -f means check if file exists. -r and w and x check the three types of files permissions we covered before. -s checks if file isn't empty. Here I have made a simple bash script that takes the first argument from command line. Store it in a variable named var. Then, here we have if statement that will check if argument is a directory or not. If it is, then fine, print directory exists and exit. If not, then check if argument is a regular file, and if it is, then check its permissions. Then check if it is an empty file or not. Then we have this else statement here that says if argument is not a directory or a file, then it is not found or does not exist from beginning. Note that comments make it pretty easy to read any code, and we can put any number of if statements inside other if statements. Back to our terminal. Here I have created a directory named test and file named test.txt with only read and write permissions. If we typed script name and test directory as an argument, we will get message says directory exists. Now execute the same command but on test.txt file. The result says file found and it have read and write permissions. Now let's add execute permissions to the same file using chmod plus xtest.txt. And execute the script again. Note that execute permission is granted line is added. Back to our nano editor and add $var to the read permission is granted section and save it. Now when the script find that file is found and it is readable, it will print its content on the screen like the following. That was everything for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it.